guys, I'm Priyanka and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will share easy hairstyle tutorial with you guys. So next hairstyle is very easy and ideal for all those who is wearing Mangtika for Diwali. So stay tuned and so I'm going to be wearing Mangtika today and I'm going to be doing hairstyle accordingly. So this is very easy hairstyle. All you need to do is just do a center partition and then do this ear to ear parting like so. And very easy it is. So I'll take my entire hair like this. Okay, and I will twist this one again. Okay, and now I will take this one and wrap it around the first twist and blend the hair all together in one single twist. We'll also pull some hair. I'll do the same thing again. Twist and twist. So just twist it and then wrap it around. And this. I'm just pulling my hair, and now the remaining hairs. This one, and then wrap around. So like this, and creating certain messy texture. I'll also pull the hair. So it's done now. I will secure this one back side. Make sure that you secure it tightly, otherwise this twist will open up. Okay. So I'm doing the same thing to the other side. So just how I did the twisting part, and now I will secure it. So guys, as you can see, it is done, and next I will add the Mangtika. So yes, like this I will place it. So next I will curl my remaining hair. So I will create the outward curls. It is not necessary that you need to curl your hair. You can also leave it like that, but if you want to add some more, glam to the look, of course curly hairs looks pretty. So yes, I am done, and this is the final look, and I think this hairstyle will look on, compliment if you wear a Mangtika. So yeah, very pretty it looks and very easy. Like you saw, quickly you can do this hairstyle and you are good to go.